from small to big, or when we move from downstairs to upstairs, it is called ascending order. Look at these numbers: 16, 10, 29, 20 and 12. They are not in ascending order. Mr. Chiku wants to go up and get a burger, but for that the numbers should be arranged in ascending orders. So children, let's all help Mr. Chiku to go upstairs and get his burger among the given numbers. So children, which number do you think will come first? Yes, the smallest number will come first. So the smallest number is number 10. Then comes number 12. Next is 16 followed by number 20 and lastly number 29. So finally Mr. Chiku got his burger. Now smallest number is 10, then greatest number is 29. Now let's arrange another group of number in ascending order: 32, 31, 29, 33 and 30. Now Mr. Chiku once again to get his burger by arranging the numbers in ascending order. These given numbers, the smallest number is 29 and next number 30, then 31, then number 32, then 33. He got his burger. Smallest number is 29, biggest number is 33. Now descending order. Descending order means arranging numbers from big to small, or when we move from upstairs to downstairs is called descending order. Now children, after eating burger, Mr. Chiku wants to go back home. Then in descending order, 47, 45, 43, 46, 44. Children, which number do you think will come on top? Yes, the greatest number will come on top. So there is greatest number is 47. Next number is 46. Then 45. Then 44. And finally 43. Mr. Chiku finally gets down. Now revise again. Ascending order: 22, 12, 25, 30 and 21. Now look here children, smallest number is 12 and greatest number is 30. Now ascending orders is 12, 21, 22, 25 and 30. Now descending order. Same number like this: 22, 12, 25, 30 and 21. Now look here children, smallest number is 12 and greatest number is 30. So in descending order, 30, 25, 22, 21 and 12. So children, if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.